Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. The Argentina cross-country invasion came to an exciting end over the weekend. Friday night saw patrons gathered in Monique Square in St. Anne for the Street Jam, which saw performances by MAHR and Exclusive. Now, the Street Jam was followed by the Road Show on Saturday, which made stops in Trelawney, St. Anne and St. Catherine and featured performances from Mrs. Signal, The Angel, Rondell Positive, MAHR Diamond, MUNGA, Honourable, MAHR, among others.
Big man in the left the school picnic them.
What's that right now, Jamaica? What would tell them? Tired to live your lives, live your lives. Acting like we okay and yet still we fight. Live your lives, live your lives. It's like you have found a black and blue behind.
Personal, I just want to have fun. What? I get a white body different.
That birds with a million pounds. A million ways to escape, but 1 million ways to get lost. Hands up, ladies! Representatives say
Artists thanked the Argentina Communications Group for the opportunity to spread their music across the 14 parishes.
It has been an amazing journey. All the stops were amazing. The people, they love it bad.
it was such a pleasure being a part of it for 2020.
Each time I come on the road shows with RJ, it's great fun. I mean, the atmosphere, everything was great, the treatment.
It was a joy the whole way. Yeah, man, it's a vibe, and that type of unity, I love them something. You know what I mean? And everywhere over the world, we get to blend and kind of, you know, chat with people and them something most of the time. So I love this.
This year marks the 16th staging of the event, which showcased the Argentina brands as well as presenters and artist lineup over a 5-week period. The Argentina cross-country invasion was held under the theme, Our Island, Our Village. Thank you to all those who played a part in making this year a success, and see you guys next year. Dancehall artist Mavado is back with a new track dubbed Life. Mavado gives insight on the struggles he faced on his journey to superstardom. The track is featured on True Ambassador's Soul Survivor rhythm. Life follows Mavado's single Truest Thoughts that was released last month, with the video already gaining close to 1 million views on streaming platform YouTube. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you so much for watching.